versus cops, but Hugs is going to win this video though.
Not so certain about that.
NYPD always wins.
This is it.
Right on the line.
Alright. First
I'm the DYUH secret weapon. The DYUH secret weapon. Officer first, man. Thank you for what you do.
Thank you.
After you guys. I can't sit down.
I like where you're going. I like where you're going.
Yeah, it's your job.
I'm watching him because he's in his head. He's in his head.
We'll use radio post.
61 right there.
Alright.
Maybe man.
There is so much pride on the line, man.
There's a lot of pride. A lot of
Either way, I would have gone, right?
Why didn't you go right here?
we on this bike.
Why didn't you went there?
We're gonna do 2 out of 3.
How about that?
So yeah, we appreciate you guys for what you're doing.
Of course. Yeah, we take pleasure in what we do.
I feel like you're getting nervous now.
I'm getting a little nervous. I got a little too excited.
The pressure.
I don't like that move. I don't know about that.
Do it.
That's not smart.
No.
Think about your life. Think about your life.
No.
Think about your pride.
Well, we know what we gotta do. Pay attention.
My heart right now.
Seriously, in 2 moves we will win. Y'all lost.
Nah, I only want to. At this point, you guys have to start playing defense.
Yeah, they can't even play these. Y'all lost. No matter what.
Start something new.
Connect.
He didn't even go easy. Let's go. He didn't even go easy.
I wasn't ready. I told y'all.
We gotta get the phone.
We weren't ready.
You guys are awesome, man. Thank you. I ain't played this since the 90s.
Thank you so much for you guys, man.
No, we have to break the tie because NYPD has one and we have one.
Yeah, so the winner should play.
So you do remember he has a gun, okay? He's nervous, I can see it. Ain't nobody nervous.
Don't let him see it. Don't let him see it.
I got shaky hands regardless. It's all good. Watch my nerves.
I know my strategy. You focus on yours.
Oh yeah.
I know my strategy.
You're all mental though. You're all mental. Tell him that, game's over. You got it in the bag.
Alright.
Tell him.
Good game. Good game, officer.
Oh wait, you got it?
It's over. Yeah, he lost.
Tell him. He won, brother.
It's good game. Good game.
It's a wrap. It's alright, man. It's a wrap. We gotta take the L on this one. It's alright. Still trying to calculate it.
Bringing, opportunities for people to connect.
Getting people to connect, and we need that in the world.
Yeah. So we got to collaborate and be able to continue to have people like ourselves do things that bring people together.
Okay.
So, thank you guys.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. All right.